How to remove people from share list on TikTok. So if you want to remove someone from your share list on your TikTok, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok now, if you go with the share option, which is on the bottom right, first you need to select the video or the TikTok, go with share, and now you need to select the person to whom you would like to share this and to whom you would like to remove from your share list. So tap on send. Now once you've sent, you need to go with your inbox. Now on your inbox, you need to tap on the person's chat, and if you want to remove this person from your share list on your TikTok, then you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots, and you can block that person, or you can unfriend that person, or you can also report that person. So just simply do any one of these. You can either block or report or unfriend, and after doing that, that person will be removed from your share list on your TikTok. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.